Hi, good afternoon. It's around 12 noon, and yeah, it is a late start. By the way, I'm Koree the Traveler, and I'm just leaving the house right now. And I just want to go to the granny's place. We had already started working on the toilet, and last night something happened. My picky broke down. I have a puncture over here. I have a very bad puncture. My iron horse, it's kind of hurt on the leg, so I just need to take it to a nearby fundi because they need to work on it so that I can use it maybe later. And yeah, so let's go. I managed to come to the fundi. This is where I usually bring my picky when it has issues. And guys, I just managed to get, I don't know where it is. It was something like this, but metallic, and it was around here. Actually, it was a nail that went inside, so I don't know. I'll have to make sure they work on it. If they can fix it, it can be even it can be cheaper that way. But if the damage is a lot, I think I'll just change the tube. So I don't know. Let us wait and see how it goes, because they have to remove the tube out. Hii ni pikipiki. Hii ni pikipiki. Ama ni baiskeli.
Yaani hujaiwa. Si yako pita kwa hiyo.
Ikifika hapo na nauza. So guys, I'm being told that the tube is badly damaged. So that means I'll have to purchase a new tube, another expense. Wow. So tube ni pesa ngapi? So I have to spend 250 shillings for a new tube. Yeah. So actually there's a shop over there. That's where I'm going to get my tube, the tube for my piggy. So this is the tube that I just bought. So the funny thing about today is that I'm starting, it's a late start because I need to go to the granny's place. It's already late, and I have a puncture, so I don't know how long it's gonna take to fix the new tube, but I just have to wait. Or maybe I think I need to take a picky, then I rush. No, I think I'll just have to wait until they're done working on the picky, so that I just make a one-way, Yeah, so we'll just have to wait. Yeah, so guys, I managed to arrive here despite my picky having an issue. Yeah, it has been fixed, and I was able to come here very fast. It took about 5 to 10 minutes before I was able to leave. So I'm here at the granny's place. I just came right now. I see something is cooking, and she's right here. She just loves this spot so much. Say hi. Yeah. And like I said yesterday, we were working on building a toilet, So like I said, it is a late start. I just came in right now. They've already put the slab, so I just want to show you guys where the toilet will be. So yeah, we have to go through the shamba to reach where the toilet is. And this reminds me, even in Kisii, we always go through the shamba to go to where the toilet is. So let them introduce first themselves. I know you guys know them. What's your name?
I'm Eric Ochieng.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm the son of this home.
Yes.
Andrew, also child from this home, but now I'm grown up. Now I'm no longer a child, but I'm from this home.
Yeah, so they are the guys who really did that amazing job over there. I was supposed to work with them, but I woke up so late. Reason being, there is a video that I was working on last night until around 5 in the morning. So I started sleeping so late. That's why I woke up so late. Sleep is enough. Getting enough sleep is enough. So that is why I ended up waking up at around noon. So I can see they were able to get ballast, the sand, and yesterday we brought some bags of cement. Yeah, and they did a good job. You guys were 3 of you. Yeah, I'm glad that there was another person to help them with this job. Someone that he knows how to mix. He does the mason job. Yeah. So guys, there's a big problem here.
What's the problem, buddy?
So you can see the way they are looking at me. This is the reason why I wasn't, like, I just feel, okay, I don't know how to say it. They just did a slight mistake. It's a mistake, right?
A slight mistake.
What do you call that? Yeah, I like the way Eric is saying. It was a slight mistake that we can be able to correct it. So the slab is here. But the problem is, Granny wants to have both the toilet and the bathroom at this same place. So the problem is the hole of the toilet, the shimo, like the hole, like, you know,
The place where it is entering.
yeah.
Enter.
So where this is not the hole, but if you see the design of this place, it's not positioned in the right spot. It should be around. Can you step? No, just on. Yeah, the other side.
Up.
Around here. So that is where the hole it's supposed to be, or maybe right there, because if we are going to have the door to the toilet here, just do a demonstration. If the door will be there, and where they've right now put the hole, it's just so close to the door, and it should be at least away from the door. So that means we are going to, this is a break, we have a break here, this to make the shape of the hole, right?
Yeah.
So that means we are going to dig another hole here, then we put the break, then we are going to cover this place. And another thing is we are going to extend this concrete to come all the way maybe to this area, because we want to put the toilet and the bathroom at the same place. We don't want to separate them the way they did on that one. The toilet is there and the bathroom is on the other side. So we just want everything to be here. And yeah, there's still work here to do. I'm glad we still have some sand. We still have a bag of cement left, and we can extend this to this side so that we can have the toilet on the other side and the bathroom on this other side. But you guys did a good job. Congratulations. So I don't know what to say, but I just want to appreciate you guys for the good job that you've been doing for us, for the granny. It means a lot. It means a lot. And even the rain, it has been raining. I heard someone saying the rain is pounding, and you can see the rate at which the maize here is growing. It's very, very, very fast. Kabisa. And the more we are having good rains here, somehow it also has it causes some damages too, but it's because of our, what do you call, that one? It's because of us. You see, it keeps on falling each day. Whenever there's rain, more sand is coming down. So after we are done working on the toilet and bathroom, with immediate effect, we need to come and start working on this house. We need to change the iron sheet, I mean the roof, because I was talking to the granny yesterday, and she told me that when it rains, always water gets inside the house. Imagine you're sleeping and there's like water dripping on your bed and things like that. Guys, I just want to do things very, very fast here. Like I said, I don't know where all the finance will come, but I believe and I trust in God that everything will be possible, everything will work. So we are just going to continue with the job. This is my iron house. Yeah, she had a puncture earlier today, but she's good now. She's good to go. So we are going to mix the ballast and the sand, and also to create the hole. So we've the cup.
Amerudi huko chini. Ile namba nilikuwa nayo.
So guys, we've managed to make another hole over there. So we're just going to close this one, and we want to extend the slab going towards the other side, because Granny wants everything here, like both the toilet and the bathroom, to be here. So that's exactly what we are doing right now. Sindio, Andrew?
Yeah, man.
It is a very, very beautiful day. Actually, we are in Kenya, Kisumu, mambo leo.
Yeah, there is no smoke, eh?
Putgino. It is a lot of work. So I know you guys might be wondering, why am I not working? Guys have been working. I'm the one who dug, me and Eric. What's so funny?
What did you say?
So me and Eric, we managed to dig that small.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I know he's laughing because he has been working a lot more than us.
You said you did what?
I've been working.
Anyway,
I'm a hard-working guy. Eric.
Yeah.
Sindio.
You got a water?
See you tuta nini? Yes, tutazimix tu hapa zote same.
Tutazimix same Eric.
Alafu tutaika tu at once. Wacha jamaa malize kwanza. So guys, I'm going to try to make this video short because I don't have enough battery. I forgot to charge my camera last night. I thought I could charge it this morning, but I didn't have time, so I'm only left with 15%. So I just want to make use of this 15%. So right now Eric is mixing the sand, the ballast together. Na itabidi tumuongeza simiti. So I'm just telling him that we will have to add again more cement on that one, so that it has enough cement. Yeah. So right now I'm just trying to mix the ballast and the sand. Is it to mix them together, right?
Yeah. That one also needs to be mixed properly with the sand and the ballast before it is used. Before water is added.
You need to go to the gym for it.
At the gym.
Weka cement. Ile moja hata iko vizuri. Naomba moto wa itakuwa.
You know this one. So with this one, it already has the cement mixed earlier this morning. So we are just adding more cement to make it to be very, very strong.
Yeah. Eric, mix your cement. Imagine ndo utaweka hivi. Mix your cement na hiki.
Oh, anda kuweka maji size.
Mix hiyo kitu.
Oh, you have to mix that one.
Kila mahali.
So that cement mingi vizuri. It mix vizuri.
Call him Calvin Koree. Bwana mak kamera adwa idhi. Adwa bolo lokno.
Kaka be. Ana dhi nyine fundi ko. Ngede gore.
In car.
Dong kase golo mogi nene. Alafu tena naleta maji tena na mix hiyo.
But meanwhile, huh? Ungekuja
Jeno gima biro momi anyisi neti kikitingi. Neno ma bribe biro.
Nita kidogo niko wait. So right now we just want to fill this gap. Yeah, sorry guys, my GoPro, my camera went off. So right now I'm just using my phone to record. Ongeza kidogo. Chukua kutoka hapa. So Eric here is going to get more water. Andrew, you can be, look, it seems like you're a good mason. So guys, we are just almost finishing up fixing the slab. At least right now it looks very good and even much wider compared to before. So the funny thing is, Andrew was saying that we should do it not today, Cynthia.
Should do what?
Like doing the extension, not today. So he was the Kesho guy, like, let's do it Kesho.
Do you know the Kesho man? Do you know the Kesho man? I'm not even the Kesho man.
Who's the Kesho man?
The one that is walking right up there. No.
Oh, we have the Kesho man. The guy who likes to say, no, we can do it tomorrow. Kesho is a Swahili word which means tomorrow. So in Kenya, most people, they usually like to say, let's do it tomorrow.
Let's do it Manguare.
So we just decided to do it right away. And yes, the job is done. We are just winding up. Then I think we'll continue tomorrow.
Yes.
Because we need to let the slab dry before we start like putting poles and things like that. There is still a lot of work to be done here. So guys, we don't have the right tools for making this place, so this is why Eric is using his hands. So guys, we are just done here, and everyone is carrying his tools over here. So over here you can see the job that we've done already. So we've already finished up putting the slab and extending this place, and also relocating the hall on the other side. Let me show you. Yeah, there's a it's always tricky at times. Things on the ground are different. So yeah, so we've done majorly the things that we are supposed to do today. So we'll just have to let this one dry first before we continue tomorrow putting up those poles, the round post. What do you think if it could have been a bricked washroom? It could have been better, right?
It would be very sweet.
Yeah, but those bricks, they're very expensive. And
one is 15 bob.
12 bob.
12.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Yeah, so for now we are just done with here. We are going to construct iron sheet washroom. Yeah. So guys, right now we just want to eat lunch. We've been working so hard. We've been working smart.
We've been doing what?
And over here we have some hen. And this, like I said in one of my previous videos, the reason as to why they are caging this one, it's because it is new, and they cannot let it out because it can disappear. So it has to get used to the environment. So Shosh is over there. And that's Andrew Jr.
Yeah, man. The seniors.
So over here we have what do you call? We call this a pot.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the. It's in Luo. In Luo we call this a pot, and it is always very very yummy.
Mine a pot. Okay, this is a pot.
In English,
A pot. A pot is cowpeas plus what? Plus a pot.
sure she's laughing.
We're having a cowpeas and a pot. A pot is a slimy vegetable, very slimy. So that is how we call it a pot.
Oh.
Yeah.
So allow us. You guys should allow us to eat.
Thank you, God, for these food blessings as we take it in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Wale moga. Wabe wale moga.
Hajakuza.
Yeah. Karibu bwana, let us start eating.
Tufanye sama ber.
Yeah, so guys, we have a pot. This is the traditional, it's like kales, but it's even much better than kales. And over here we have the ugali, and this is the one direct from the posher mill, and it is always good for body.
Yes,
For the
because
building.
it has all the nutrients. We don't extract anything from this flour.
This is not
Grade 1.
GMO. This is
Not,
organic
organic.
organic maize flour. Yeah. So allow us to enjoy your. Bye for now.
Finished.
So guys, we just finished eating our lunch, and yeah, I'm full. So I just want to end this video here because we still have tomorrow. Tomorrow we need to put now the wall of the toilet and the bathroom. So that will be our tomorrow's job, and I just want to appreciate you, all of you guys, for the good work that you guys have been doing. Yeah, so even Granny, she's super excited. She's also having her lunch over there. Yeah, and this young man here, he's already full. I think what next will be he can just go and sleep.
Really? I don't do that in the bed. That is left for the night.
Yeah, so guys, I just want to, yeah, that's Granny.
Nesi, mbamia urusi.
Yeah, she's enjoying the soup. So I just want to end this video here. Thank you so much. Until the next video, peace out. Koso.
Mano en. Till next video.